Everybody, I'm back from Goa and my Continental GT just hit 20,000 kilometers. So it's time to get it serviced. The first thing that I'm gonna do is change my engine oil. So I'm gonna be changing my engine oil to Motul 300 V square. It's a 10W50 100% synthetic racing motor oil. It's my first time using a different brand of oil for my Continental GT. So I'm a bit excited. I used to be worried, but I'm not worried anymore because it should be fine. I mean, it's just engine oil, right? So yeah. Plus it's Motul, so I think it's a good brand. So yeah, man, let's just go to service center and get it serviced. Alright, so I'm at the service center. I brought my engine oil obviously, and I'll show you what else we do in the service. So yeah. इकडचा नट Alright, so I'll actually make a separate detailed video on this new engine oil. So subscribe to not miss out on that vlog. And yeah man, that's about it for this video. See ya.